Number 1. 1986 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $2,350, Costa Mesa, California. This 1986 Oldsmobile Delta 88 is listed at $2,350 in Costa Mesa, California. It is powered by a 3.8-liter General Motors V6 engine with automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. With 210,000 miles and 4 decades of service records, it reflects consistent long-term care. Finished in white with its original interior, it includes a clean title, current registration, and SMOG certificate. Owned for over 27 years by the same person, it remains a well-preserved survivor from a discontinued American brand. Number 2. 1977 Volvo 24045DL, Seattle, Washington. Priced at $2,000 in Seattle, Washington, this 1977 Volvo 245DL is a classic Swedish wagon with strong enthusiast appeal. Known for safety, durability, and boxy, timeless styling, the 240 series became a cultural icon. This example has 250,000 miles, though the odometer is broken, and it currently has no keys and will require towing from storage. The seller reports extensive mechanical work during 6 years of ownership, including belts, battery, gaskets, fuel injectors, and significant engine machine shop work. The undercarriage is reportedly rust-free, which is important for a vehicle of this age. The Volvo 245 is prized for its simplicity and longevity, often exceeding 300,000 miles with proper care. For a hands-on buyer willing to handle transport and key replacement, this wagon offers a solid foundation for restoration or daily driver revival. Number 3. 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT, $6,900, Tacoma, Washington. Offered at $6,900 in Tacoma, Washington, this 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT is a highly desirable final-year model with only 63,000 original miles and 1 owner history. The 1988 model year is especially important because it featured improved suspension geometry, making it the best handling Fiero produced. Powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine, this mid-engine American sports car delivers balanced performance and distinctive styling. Described as all original with original paint and interior, this garage-kept example includes power windows, power locks, air conditioning, and power mirrors. The Fiero GT has become increasingly collectible due to its unique place in American automotive history as General Motors' only mid-engine production car of the era. Clean title and low mileage make this a standout for collectors seeking originality. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet Nova 2-door, $9,800, Riverside, California. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova Tour Coupe is listed at $9,800 in Riverside, California, equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It embodies classic American muscle car spirit. The Nova was known for its lightweight body and strong performance potential, especially when fitted with small block V8 power. With 86,000 miles and a clean California title, this blue coupe runs but requires further mechanical attention, as it starts when fuel is manually introduced. Solid floors and trunk are positives, with minor rust under the front fenders. Included moldings add value for restoration. As a family-owned vehicle previously belonging to the seller's father, it carries sentimental history. Properly restored, a 1970 Nova with V8 power remains a highly desirable muscle-era classic. Number 5. 1970 MGB GT, $7,200, Pahrump, Nevada. Located in Pahrump, Nevada, this 1970 MGB GT is priced at $7,200 and represents British sports car charm in a practical hardtop design. The MGB GT combines a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering engaging driving dynamics. Described as a barn find stored for over 25 years, this all-original survivor has recently received new tires, complete brake and clutch hydraulic system replacement, engine tune-up, fuel pump, and batteries. Front disc brakes add stopping confidence. The MGB GT is admired for its balance, simplicity, and classic European styling. With a clean California title, this example offers strong value for enthusiasts seeking vintage British motoring enjoyment. Number 6. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro, $10,000, Sand Springs, Oklahoma. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro is available for $10,000 in Sand Springs, Oklahoma. As a second-generation Camaro, it features the long hood and aggressive stance that defined early 1970s American performance cars. Powered by its original 307 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, this base model has received suspension upgrades including Z28 components and new wheels and tires. With 32,007 miles shown and some rust present, it has been sitting for about a year and requires recommissioning, including a new battery. The seller includes original parts and receipts. The 1971 model year remains popular due to its clean styling before later emission era changes. This example presents a strong project opportunity with solid performance potential. Number 7. 1967 Mercury Cougar, $6,900, Snohomish, Washington. Offered at $6,900 in Snohomish, Washington, this 1967 Mercury Cougar is equipped with an A-code 289 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, automatic transmission, and desirable options including power steering and air conditioning. With 134,000 miles, it runs and drives, but needs maintenance. Some rust is present in the floors, making it a worthwhile restoration candidate for this stylish pony car. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Woody Wagon, $9,900, Ventura, California. Priced at $9,900 in Ventura, California, this 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Woody station wagon is a powerful and unique classic. Factory equipped with a 396 cubic inch turbojet big block, now rebuilt and bored to approximately 402 cubic inches, with forged internals and aluminum heads, it is said to produce around 500 horsepower. Paired with a built Turbo 400 automatic transmission and 12-bolt rear axle, it offers serious performance. Features include power steering, power disc brakes on all 4 corners, power rear window, and newer interior. Original paint shows some rust spots, though floors are mostly solid. The Caprice wagon represents the height of mid-1960s full-size American luxury, and the Woody styling adds nostalgic appeal. This running and driving example offers both cruising enjoyment and restoration potential. Number 9. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Ciera, $8,200, west of Golden, Colorado. Located west of Golden, Colorado, this 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Ciera is priced at $8,200. Powered by a 3.8-liter V6 with automatic transmission, it reflects reliable mid-1980s engineering. With approximately 115,000 miles and single-family ownership since new, it has been repainted and remains in near excellent condition. It stands as a well-preserved example from a discontinued American brand. Number 10, 1983 Chevrolet K10 Diesel Long Bed, $7,000, San Diego, California. This 1983 Chevrolet K10 Diesel Long Bed square body truck is offered at $7,000 in San Diego, California. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 diesel engine with automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, it delivers classic American truck durability. The square body generation is highly sought after for its rugged styling and mechanical simplicity. With approximately 16,000 miles shown and dual 20-gallon side saddle fuel tanks, it offers strong practicality. Features include Silverado trim, original red velveteen bench seat, new Yokohama Geolandar mud tires, and working four-wheel drive. It carries a salvage title and has minor cosmetic flaws, non-functioning stereo, and air conditioning that does not blow cold. However, diesel efficiency and exemption from emissions testing due to age enhance its appeal. This truck represents a tough, character-filled classic, ready for continued use or restoration.